Good morning or afternoon everybody. Here we are at AVT Advantage in Suffolk in the UK, and we're looking at the GIDUE M5 Revo press. And down at the end of the press here we have our Helios 2 4K colour, nicely integrated, and the user interface. And what we will now be seeing is our inline pressure control, our first development of this type on a label press. And we're joined by perhaps one of the most influential people within the Revo process, Mr. Dara Whelan, who is now going to operate the system.
So first thing we're going to do is set the pressures. Very important, very simple process. You select the decks you want to print, you press the play button. This will send a signal to the machine. We will now start the machine up, and we will set the plate to the analogs and the analogs to the print consistently every time. One of the most important fundamentals of the Revo technologies is consistency. This is a fixed pallet job, an Equinox job, which was 7 colours, we've converted to 5.
So we're running 4 process and one reflex blue.
What you'll see now is the system doing each individual colour, deck by deck. Of course, it takes a full picture of it. See, it's an image-based system, which is very important, not a mark-based system. So you ensure consistency all across the web. As you can see, we're printing with a lot of vignettes and screens, so we have to ensure we're perfect from left to right. Each colour will be done, and we can do all 8 decks within 55 metres of material.
And what speed are we running at now?
20 metres a minute.
Okay.
But what's important to realise as well, we're also setting the registration as well as the pressure. So you've got a completed job, 55 metres of material, in register, perfect, pressure's all consistent within a couple of minutes. And
if I was going to do this the old-fashioned way, to set perfect pressure on a job like this, how many metres do you think it would take?
Depending on the operator, you can look from anything from 200 to 500 metres, but also you have to then measure it off press to make sure that left to right is consistent. We've got guarantees that this is consistent during all the beta testing that we've done, and so far the results have been very, very consistent.
And as we can see, there's no printer anywhere near the press. It's fully hands-free, automatic, closed-loop pressure control.
And it's just finishing off the pressure control now. It's just about finished. See, it's now finished. What we've done now is, this is the proof and this is our print. The job is now ready to print. As you can see, the GIDUE system is putting the job all in registration as the machine sets up. And this job is now ready to run. Thank you very much.
Very good.